Welcome to the new video of Explaino Tech. In this video I take you through the construction and the working electric bell. The important parts of the electrical consists of electromagnet, armature, interrupter, striker and gong. Electromagnet consists of coils of wire wound around soft iron cores, the U shape. When current flows, it becomes a temporary magnet. Armature is a soft iron bar mounted on a spring. It is attracted to the electromagnet when the circuit is active. Interrupter consisting of contact screw is an adjustable screw that touches the armature. This is the brain of the cycle. It connects and disconnects the circuit as the armature moves. Striker, also known as hammer, is attached to the armature. Its job is to physically hit the gong to create sound. Gong, bell, is the metal bowl that resonates and produces the ringing sound when struck. To explain the working of an electric bell, it is best to look at it as a continuous loop of making and breaking an electrical connection. The process begins with the power supply and the switch. When you press the switch, you complete an electrical circuit. This allows current to flow from the battery into the electromagnet, which consists of wire coils wrapped around iron cores. As the current passes through these coils, the iron becomes temporary magnets, creating a strong pull. Right next to this magnet is the armature, a flexible metal strip with a striker, hammer, attached to the end. Because the armature is made of iron, it is immediately pulled toward the energized electromagnet. This movement causes the striker to fly forward and hit the gong, producing the ding sound we hear. However, this movement also creates a clever break in the system. The armature is normally in contact with the interrupter, contact screw. As the armature is pulled toward the magnet to strike the gong, it moves away from this screw. Since the screw is a vital bridge for the electricity, moving away from it opens the circuit and stops the flow of current. The moment the circuit breaks, the electromagnet loses its magnetic power. Without that pull, the springy nature of the armature snaps it back to its original position, where it once again touches the interrupter. This remakes the circuit, the magnet turns back on, and the whole process repeats many times per second. This rapid back and forth motion is what creates the continuous ringing sound of the bell. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please share it to your loved ones. Please subscribe and like.